Hello everyone, this is Kajami Hassan. Well, if you are new here, then I have to introduce myself as I have already told my name. Well, I have completed my graduation from Rajshahi University of Engineering and Technology, and I'm a machine learning engineer at SA Limited, and I am also a Kaggle competition expert. Well, these are about my side. Well, I usually make different machine learning, data science, and data mining videos in my YouTube channel. So with continuing that legacy, I'm starting a data mining series, and this is the one of the video of the data mining series. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So in our first video, we are going to learn about what is data mining and what is KDD process. Well, so let's start with the data mining. Well, so what is data mining? Well, we are not going to go in the book or the bookish knowledge. Let's think and make a definition by our brain, from our brain. So you can see the data and the mining. So what does data mean? Data means information, and mining means discovering different insights, right? So data mining means we are going to mine some information or some interesting insights from data, and the size of the data will be huge. Well, so if we analyze a lot of data, lot of weather data or lot of health data, then we can mine some information from them. So this whole process is known as the data mining. So are you getting it? Well, so the what does data mining means? So data mining means discovering some interesting patterns from different data, and you can write this definition in your exams, so that will be totally okay. So moving on. Now, what is KDD process? Well, the KDD means knowledge discovery from data. So there's a huge chance that you will get this question in your exams that describe the KDD process. So in that question you have to answer in this way. You can draw the diagram, or you can just explain the different processes. Well, on the right side you can see the image. I have taken the image from the book named Data Mining Concepts and Technique by Han and Camber. You can download the book. I will give the link of this book in the description box. So let's analyze the figure. Well, so as you can see, on the first we have seen that cleaning and integration. So if we take any kind of data, then we must clean the data. There's a lot of outliers, lot of missing values in the data, so we must clean them. So for cleaning the data, we can remove the noise, remove the inconsistent data, etc. Okay, so are you getting it? Okay, the first step is the data cleaning. Okay, the second step is the data integration. So sometimes in some data mining problems or data science problems, we have to concatenate two different data sets or two or more data sets. So this is known as data integration. We can use the multiple data sources and we can combine them for information retrieval. Moving on. Now the third part is the data selection. Okay, so what it does, it means that the data relevant to the analysis tasks are retrieved from the database. So we are not going to work with all the data, right? We are going to analyze a portion of data for a particular task. So we are going to take those data from the database. So this is known as the data selection. The fourth one is the data transformation. So as we know that data can be of huge sizes or huge range. So we have to transform the data so that our model could take them and analyze them. So the fourth part is known as the data transformation. And the fifth part is known as the data mining. Well, this is an essential process where intelligent methods are applied to extract the data patterns. The intelligent methods can be clustering, can be a classification, can be a regression problem, etc. So by using all those classification, regression or clustering methods, we can retrieve different types of patterns, different types of insights from the data. This is known as data mining. Okay. Okay, so then it comes that the pattern evolution, or here you can see that the evolution and the presentation. Well, in this section it means that to identify the truly interesting patterns representing knowledge based on interestingness measures. Well, if you see the book, then you will be much more clearer. So you can evaluate the patterns from the data mining techniques. Okay. Okay, so last one is the knowledge presentation. So as you have all completed the data mining, the data cleaning parts, lastly it comes the knowledge presentation. Well, in this part we visualize our knowledge from the data by using different visualization techniques, or you, what can I say, you can present your insights to the users. Okay, so this is the journey of a data mining process. So if you uh, take this as a, what can I say, if you take this as a process, then you will know the whole journey of the data. From starting with the data cleaning, you are producing a better insight or a interesting insight from data. This is the whole journey you have to follow. Okay, so this whole journey is known as the KDD process, and which is also known as knowledge discovery from data. Well, there's a huge chance that you will get this question in your exams, so I would suggest that you practice all the key points and write by your own language. So this is all for today. Thank you, and in the next part we are going to discuss about more interesting topics of data mining, which are important for your exams. So till then, thank you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, I would request you to subscribe my channel and like my video. This will motivate me to make some more interesting videos about data mining for you. And I will put the books link in the description box, and all the necessary links in the description. Please do check them. Thank you everyone. Please stay home and stay safe.